Hello everybody, Chad here with Colorado Giants. Today is Tuesday, May 1st. Time for an update. I believe I missed last week. I was out of town, getting real busy. But as you can see, progress is coming along on the Screenhouse version 4.0. Looking real good. Apologize for the wind. My microphone is not working, and rather than record a bunch of videos and have them not turn out, just gonna have to deal with a little wind noise. So you can see I got the end wall pretty much all done today. Gonna have the wiggle wire here and around the perimeter, so I had to install all that wood through there. I finished all of the supports down the middle, centered everything up and secured the hoops to the purling. Really the last structural thing is just I'm going to add some purlings down each side that way to secure everything. But overall, I mean, it's pretty secure, not going anywhere. Wiggle this one. I'm real happy with it. Garden's looking pretty good, everything's growing. Emily is being beautiful and pregnant. And Homer is oot in a boot, being a tortoise. Have you seen the other tortoise, babe? Where? Oh, nice. The other tortoise is back in the shed. We'll go check on the pumpkin plants. I'm calling it a day. It's fixing to storm. Emily got some butt nuggets. She's doing a really good job on the beehive. We're going on vacation in about, how long, babe? 10 days? 10 days, so trying to get everything buttoned up to prepare for that. So here we go. Here's all of the plants. Getting about 18 hours worth of sunlight a day. These are all the primary plants. The 2 watermelon plants. The only thing that I'm not thrilled about is the 2000 Pingarees, the seed I was really excited about. This one's doing really good, but the other one back there, that was the one I think I was telling you about, where it just, the seed or the root did not pop out the bottom. It was just kind of dribbling out the side very oddly. But everything's looking real good, and I think it's starting to finally take off and deciding to be a productive pumpkin plant. But the new seedling system is working real good. The tent and the 8 bulb T5 fixture, it's looking really good. All the plants are looking awesome. It's hard to say which one's doing better than the others. Let's see here. So I think these are this is the 2043 Clements, these two. These are the 2000 Pingarees. These are the 1718 Sejas. And then these are the 1937 Urana. If I had to pick one, I would say that one looks the best. But everything's looking real good. Old man. And last, but not least, go out and I have a second seedling chamber that I set up for all the backup plants. These ones were in the cups for, another about a week longer than the other ones. These ones are free if anybody wants some plants. Actually make a donation to the club, and then these are the backup plants. But that's about it, guys. Keep it short, 5 minutes or so. Yeah, that's it. Questions, comments, queries, concerns, let me know. Go grow a pumpkin.